Ever wonder how researchers ensure the validity and reliability of their findings? The secret lies in a method known as data triangulation. Data triangulation involves the use of multiple sources, methods, investigators, or theories to explore a single phenomenon. Picture a triangle. Each corner represents a different source of data or method. The intersection of these points provides a more comprehensive view of the phenomenon under study. There are four main types of data triangulation: data source, investigator, theory, and methodological triangulation. Data source triangulation involves gathering information from different places or people. Investigator triangulation uses multiple researchers to study the same phenomenon. Theory triangulation involves the use of different theoretical perspectives to interpret the same data. Finally, methodological triangulation involves the use of different methods to study the same phenomenon. Now, why does data triangulation matter? It ensures that the data collected is both reliable and valid, reducing the chances of bias. It provides a more comprehensive understanding of the phenomenon being studied. It also allows for the discovery of new perspectives and insights that may not have been apparent with a single source of data or method. Remember, however, that while data triangulation adds depth and breadth to research, it also requires more time, resources, and expertise. It's not always necessary or feasible, but when it is, it can greatly enhance the quality and credibility of the research. To recap, data triangulation is a powerful method in research that involves using multiple sources, methods, investigators, or theories to study a single phenomenon. It enhances the reliability and validity of the data, provides a more comprehensive understanding of the phenomenon, and may reveal new insights. However, it also requires more time, resources, and expertise. So, the next time you come across a research study, keep an eye out for data triangulation. It might just be the secret behind its robust findings.